Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the ICT concepts by LuxAlgo. So the first thing that we need to do is log in with your account to LuxAlgo, and then we click here on library. Then we go to search indicators and we search right here for ICT concepts. Then click on enter, and then right here you will get the ICT concept. So we click here on see details, and then they have right here on their webpage a nice explanation about the indicator. We want to use it, and the only option to use this indicator is on TradingView for free. So we can select right here get access. You will see here a little instruction, but I already know how to do it. So we click on get access, and then he will send us to the TradingView page right here. And then we click on use on chart. Then right now I have the previous indicator still standing on, so I delete this one. And then right now, if you can see, you can find right here the ICT concepts. So the indicator is working right now, and this was exactly why you clicked on the video. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.